Welcome friends to this video tutorial. I'm going to show you how to automate volume faders in Reaper for your MIDI controller. I'm using the Keylab 61, but you can do this with any MIDI controller, whether you have a workstation and you're using one of the Cork Nanos, or any other MIDI controller has faders for volume, especially to create your workstation. The file is going to be in the description below for you to download. So for now, let me just show you a tutorial how I did it. So let's start Reaper. And the reason I use Reaper is because it's free and you can do a lot of things with it. Okay. So here it is. The first thing I need to do is make sure I create tracks, but instrument tracks, not regular tracks. So let's go virtual instrument tracks, right? So let's go here. It's going to ask me for an instrument. Insert multiple tracks. Let's do, I have 9 faders on my lab. Okay, so let's put 9. Let's just do 8 because the last one is going to be for the master fader on Reaper. So let's put okay. And we can name them if you want. So the first one's going to be piano. Second one's going to be like EP. Third one usually is like an organ. So let's go with pad. Number 5 is going to be like a shimmer pad, or like a higher pad, warm pad, and a shine pad. Let's do strings, and we can also use like and just other things, but those are like the basic that I use with we can put a synth if you want. Okay, so that'll be it. Those are like the main faders that I use. I'm going to use 8. Whether it's the last one or the first one, it could be your master volume. Usually I keep it in the end. So how do we make sure that these are for MIDI? So we're going to go to music instrument, all MIDI inputs, music instrument, all MIDI inputs. You go here, change it to MIDI, all MIDI inputs, and you got to do this with all of them. Input, all MIDI. Instead of microphone, because right now it's made to input means your instrument. So we're going to change this to MIDI input, to all MIDI inputs, MIDI input, all MIDI inputs, change it to all MIDI inputs, and change it to all MIDI inputs. All right, so it's all done. Now we're going to go to actions, and the first one we're going to put master, and we're going to change the master, the very last fader on my Turia, to be connected to the master toggle. So let's go see master track. So this one is there. Let's click it and delete it. We're going to click on it and add. I'm just going to move that fader and it's going to tell me it's already done. Okay, close. Now we're going to put faders for all these 8 drawbars. So again, actions, and it's going to put track volume, and here they are. It's already selected. So what I'm going to do, oh, there it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete each one of them. So we can do it from scratch again. Delete, and delete. Let's go here and put delete. Here, delete. Okay, perfect. All right, so usually it should be like this. If you have a different MIDI controller, just clear it and you can start from scratch. So you're going to click on track 1. You're going to put add, move the first fader, and you put okay. The same with all the tracks. That's 2. Add. That's 3. Add. That's 4. Add. That's 5. This is 6. This one is 7. the last one, add. This one, 8. Okay, some libraries might have an attachment to different drawbars. You just need to clear them on your program. Just make sure you put MIdi unlearn, and that way they're fine and they're good to go. So if I go to close and I show you the first fader, it's moving, my master. Then I have track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4, track 5, track 6, track 7, track 8. So now I can start throwing any of the plugins that I need for the session. You can save it, and I'm going to leave this link for download in the description. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give me thumbs up. That will help you immensely. And click the icon that has that little bell so YouTube lets you know every time we make new videos. All right, friends, God bless you. I'll see you in another video. Ciao.